is a global natural resources company. We responsibly produce, market, and recycle critical metals needed for advancing everyday life. Process optimization. How can we mine and produce a lot more of the key metals needed for the energy transition? And then driving circularity in the same metals. We can't have everything we want. We have to find innovative ways of getting there. On things like battery recycling, automating some of our recycling businesses. We are mining many different parts of the world. We want to collect all that data and take key decisions. We have Schneider solutions like Aviva at a lot of our industrial sites. We already are contributing between 200 and 250 million EBITDA to Glencore from our recycling business. That number is expected to grow quite substantially. We believe we can create a lot of impact.